Properties. Let's take a look at the Translation Finder's properties. To access these properties, click on the three dots found in the upper right-hand corner of the Translation Finder widget. By default, every time you click into a segment, the hits are shown in the Translation Finder widget. Our first option allows us to show or hide the markup in the translation hit. Toggle it on and off and you can see the inline tags being shown or hidden from view. The second properties feature is Adjust Dates and Numbers, which will automatically change the number or dates for segments that otherwise have the same translation. This means for a translation hit where only numbers or dates differ, the system automatically recognizes the matches and adjusts the propagated text accordingly. The third feature available, Replace Source by Target, lets you decide if you want to see the source or the target listed first in the translation hits. By enabling and disabling this option, we see that the source and target language switch locations in the translation hits. The next feature, Remove Tags on Insertion, allows you to use match hits that may contain tags in segments where tags are not part of the source text or are different. The translation will be entered into the target language as it appears, except without the inline tags. If you would like to add to the translation memory directly from the CAT editor, choose the next feature called Create New Resource Entry. You will then be able to add entries to the resources made available to you by your project managers. There are two more options in the Translation Finder's Properties menu, Resources and All Options, both of which will open the Options menu where you can preview the available resources. Clicking on the arrow will activate the Options menu where you can set your resource preferences. Here you can enable and disable all the options that we have spoken about thus far. In addition to the previous features we have spoken about, here you can set the segment similarity and decide whether you want to hide or show unreliable translations. The All Options menu allows you to set your default preferences and use the other links for quick access to a particular feature.